Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to collect deposits on Setmore. Setmore is a great scheduling and booking platform that's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It's easy to use and it has a lot of great features, including the ability to collect deposits from your clients. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up deposits in Setmore, how to collect deposits from your clients, and how to manage your deposits. What is Setmore? Before we get started, let's talk about what Setmore is. Setmore is a scheduling and booking platform that's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It's easy to use and it has a lot of great features, including the ability to collect deposits from your clients. How to set up deposits in Setmore. Now that we know what Setmore is, let's talk about how to set up deposits in Setmore. To set up deposits in Setmore, you need to go to your settings page and click on the Payments tab. Then, click on the Deposit Settings button. Once you're on the Deposit Settings page, you can enable deposits for your services. You can also set the amount of the deposit, the due date, and the payment method. How to collect deposits from your clients. Once you've set up deposits in Setmore, you can start collecting deposits from your clients. When your client books a service, they will be asked to pay the deposit. The deposit will be collected automatically and will be added to your Setmore account. How to manage your deposits. Once you've collected deposits from your clients, you can manage them in your Setmore account. You can view and edit your deposits, and you can also refund deposits if necessary. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for collecting deposits on Setmore. Make sure that your clients are aware of your deposit policy. You can add your deposit policy to your website or to your booking confirmation emails. Consider using a payment processor that integrates with Setmore. This will make it easier for your clients to pay their deposits. Be sure to track your deposits carefully. This will help you ensure that you're getting paid for all of your services. Collecting deposits on Setmore is easy and it's a great way to get paid for your services. By following the tips in this video, you can make sure that you're collecting all of the money that you're owed. If you have any questions about how to collect deposits on Setmore, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help.